Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ALCATEL 1 2022 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both of them and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now you need to choose Open. And from this screen over here, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on ALCATEL. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select Receive on an Android and Send on ALCATEL. After that, you need to tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, choose Send and click on Got it. Over here on an Android, just no thanks and close this window. After that, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and connect them by choosing Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!